In today's video, I will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called Colony. Colony is a ransomware that targets many Windows computers. My video is strictly for the educational purposes, though I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I will just show you how damaging this ransomware is. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, text documents, and other data. But unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Colony ransomware may be very easily injected. So once it injects the system, it appends this special Colony extension to the file names. Sorry, the extension is colony96. It also changes the desktop background. As you can clearly see, this desktop background also contains the ransom node. And there is finally another txt file which is also the ransom node. It is placed on the desktop. The ransom node indicates that the ransom needs to be paid for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to get rid of this nasty ransomware with the help of reliable security software, and I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. You will see the green download Combo Cleaner button. Install the software, and then once it is successfully installed, start thoroughly researching the computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, and so when you are in the trial mode, only quick scan option is available. So you will need to click on this special start scan button. After you do that, most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and elimination of this ransomware or any other threats. So wait until the antivirus database is successfully updated. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.